how to create an email signature for free. That's right, free email signature. I've used HubSpot before. They also have a free maker, but I was not able to add my YouTube link and icon like I wanted. So I was looking at a different way to do this, and I came across just kind of testing this out myself. So what I did is to create an email signature for my Google Workspace, my Gmail email. You can do it for Office 365. Also, you come in to ChatGPT, you can upload your current email signature if you want it to look like that. Let me step back. If you have an email signature that you've seen somebody else use, you can screenshot it and say, here's the email signature I want mine to look like. You then would upload that picture. You'd upload a photo of yourself or your business logo if you want to replace that in there. And then you're going to add like your social media links, your contact information, the different stuff that you want to put in there and change out. And so how you do that is you go into ChatGPT, you add a photo of those different files, and then you will upload those from your computer into here. And then it'll look like this, which I just added my old email signature and I wanted to update it and change it a little bit. And I then prompted it and said, here's my current signature. Should I update it? It's been 5 years. It's been a while. I don't have my YouTube link on there, and this is what it recommended doing. It gives you some advice too. You can ask good about that. So basically what it'll spit out then some code that you can copy. And this is where it gets a little tricky, because if you paste this directly in, it won't work correctly. So what I asked it down here after I kind of updated some of the information. I wanted YouTube, I want a scheduling meeting link, and leave a Google review, what it gave me. So this is where you take it into an HTML free website. So this is w3schools.com, and they have this example, try it yourself. So you click this button here, try it yourself, which allows you to put any type of code in, and then it'll spit it out on the right hand side what it'll look like. And this is key for adding an email signature and linking so it doesn't look kind of jumbled and whatnot. You can actually style it all in HTML without knowing any HTML. So then you would just copy this here, this code. You see all this information. You then paste it in the body section here. So I would delete this out, and I would copy and paste this in. So I'm going to back it up here. So if I copy this, go in here and paste it, and then click run, you'll see it put in some information. It still needs some work. It's not exactly how I wanted it, so I went back and forth with ChatGPT here, saying, hey, I didn't like that version, somewhere down here. So I prompted it, looks okay. I want to change some of the wording here. So I asked it to do a couple different things. I said I wanted to add my headshot into the picture here, which it wasn't put in there. So it gave me some new code to try. And this is kind of just going back and forth. You copy it, you then go into the editor, and then what I would do in between the body tags there is I would delete out the old information, repaste it in. Okay, computer's slow here. Let's make sure I copy it. Copy that, come back in here, paste it, and then you click run again, and then it should update. It's not showing the image there, but I had fixed that earlier. So then you come down here. Oh, then you got to tell it where it's located. So you do have to upload the image somewhere in Dropbox, or if you have a website, you just grab that URL link of your image so it can actually pull that into the email signature. So then I copied that code again after I told it where the link was for my image. Delete that out, repaste it, click run again. Now you'll see my image popped up there. You can tell it to change a different font colors. So I actually changed the blue to match my logo. Farther down in here, a couple more things. And then, so this is what it was looking like when I was getting closer to what I wanted. Oops, it's not working. You can see a preview there. But it still wasn't kind of laying out exactly how I wanted to do that. So I went in and told it to do a couple more things. And at the end, I wanted to have like a certain color purple link for my scheduled meeting, so it popped out more. So this is me just telling it back and forth what to do and testing it. And eventually I told it I don't like the icons in there because it just looks dated. So I was trying that out differently. And so what I came up with, I believe this last one here, you can see this is what it looks like when it's all said and done. So I have my image of me, the logo, and then I kind of stylized, so my schedule a meeting link is in purple and kind of stands out. I have YouTube tutorials, and then I leave a Google review, and then my mobile phone number, they can call or text. And then office hours, that was kind of the main thing I wanted. Simplify it, but have kind of the main focus on those channels versus Facebook or Instagram like I had before. So notes on the side here, use ChatGPT to prompt it, and then go to w3schools.com and use their HTML editor, and you just copy and paste what ChatGPT gives you in the prompt for HTML code, and then you can just actually copy it when you're ready to put it into your email signature in Google Workspace. You actually copy this. You just Control-C it, or Command-C on a Mac. Copy this in the W3 Schools editor. Copy that, Control-C or Command-C, depending on what type of computer you're using. And then you just do Command-V to paste it. You can right-click and click Paste also. And then you have your email signature there, and then you just save it, and you're good to go. You can use it for vacation responders, you can also put down there, and that's how to create an email signature in Gmail Google Workspace email using ChatGPT and W3 Schools HTML editor to get a free email signature and to look more professional. If this video helped you, like below, leave a comment, and thank you for your time. Bye.